So for the introduction of this video presentation, let me explain about this field trip. So we are doing this field trip at ZUHAIRI that is located at Gombak, Selangor, Malaysia. So for this field trip, we are decided to choose puma as our research and to observe about their habitat, need, their importance to the community and the others. We are so glad to complete this research with the cooperation of our teammates. So in this video presentation, we want to explain more about puma, which is the animals that we choose. But first, do you know fun facts about puma? Let me explain for you about the fun facts of puma. So the first one, puma are the members of the cat or feline family. They are mammals, so meaning that they have fur or hair. Puma also are in the warm-blooded group. Next, do you know that pumas can run as fast as 35 miles per hour? There is about the speed at which people drive cars in city. Pumas also are very good climbers and also know how to swim. And the female puma are called she pumas. Pumas can purr but they cannot roar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad ZIKRI and I will be explaining about the distribution of puma. They are primarily found in the mountains of North and South America, highly adaptive and can be found in a large variety of habitats including forest, tropical jungle, grassland and even arid desert regions. However, with the expansion of human settlement and land clearance, the cats are being pushed into smaller and more hostile areas. Their high adaptability, however, will likely allow them to avoid disappearing from the wild forever. For the niche of puma, food habits are important niche parameters, as good nutrition implies larger reproductive outcome and increased survival, thus a higher net reproductive output. Puma mainly preys on large mammals at the northern limit of its distribution, and medium-sized and small mammals at its southernmost distribution limit.
Next, we move to habitat of puma. So when we talk about the habitat of puma, the puma has an intensive habitat range. It prefers habitat with dense underbrush and rocky areas for stalking, but it can also live in open plains, coniferous and tropical forests, swamps and deserts. They choose to inhabit those areas. They are highly adaptive and can be found in a large variety of habitats including forests, tropical jungles, grasslands and even arid desert regions. However, their high adaptability will likely allow them to avoid disappearing from the wild forever. Next is puma cat diet. The puma is a carnivorous stalker and ambush predators and pursues a wide variety of prey. Their main diet is ungulates such as deer, horses, elk, cattle and sheep. So basically, the puma will eat any animal it can catch, even animals as large as moose. Pumas will stalk their prey through bushes and trees and across rock ledges before powerfully leaping onto the back of their victim and delivering a suffocating neck bite. The puma's agile spine is adapted for this killing technique.
The importance of puma to community is that puma prey or carrion in particular support food web of hundreds of species. Puma contribute over 1 million kilograms of meat per day to scavenger communities across North and South America. And by preying on deer and elk, puma help to prevent their population from becoming larger than their habitat can support. And lastly, in areas where puma have been eliminated or driven out, researchers have found landscape overrun by herbivores that are overgrazing the land.
Last but not least, I will explain about the adaptation of puma. So the first one is stalking. Puma are carnivorous and hunt virtually any mammals and occasionally other animals such as fish. These secretive animals are skillful stalkers. Their highly developed vision and sense of hearing play an important role in their ability to stalk prey effectively. Pumas hide in vegetation and rocky areas when they are stalking. Before attack, the puma will remain hidden with ears pointed up, eyes on its prey, and its body crouched ready to punch. It may also hide in a tree, ready to jump down on into its prey. Next is attack. Pumas are perfectly adapted to hunt and kill their prey swiftly. Puma cubs will begin to hunt their own prey from the age of 6 months, although cubs hunt much smaller animals to begin with. When a puma is ready to attack, it uses its strong hind legs to pounce at its prey. Its front legs are longer than its hind legs, allowing it to use them for holding onto its prey. The puma jumps onto its prey back and quickly uses its strong neck and jaw muscles to bite their prey necks. The flexible spines also helps a puma to carry out this attack.
As a conclusion to our video, we should pay attention to the puma's population as it has been listed as a critically endangered species. As it is a keystone species to certain areas, it is very important to preserve their population to avoid imbalance within the habitat it lives in. So, we should not turn a blind eye to the puma population, otherwise it will be too late.